Me have couple dog, me know that dead for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just remember me. I for protect the dog, them member enough for it. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me. If you are free, when I'm a brother, then you want to free me. After all, dog and us a wait pan a call. 4 rifle in upon a wall. On mark, yeah.
Killy, them crazy now.
You're a Mrs. I won't kiss. So that's basically what he was saying in patois.
Thank you for the translation.
Patois.
Because I did not understand everything.
Bloody hell, man.
So I gave a joke before and nobody laughed. So I'm gonna give another joke and then I hope everybody laughed because the bridegroom and the bridesmaids they're here and they bring the vibe.
Yeah, we. Yeah, you. Intelligent.
Alright. So picture. There was this little girl at the wedding. So the little girl turned to the mother and said, "Mom, why is the bride in white?" So the mother looked at the little girl and said, "Because white means happy." Then she said, and the mother said, "You know, it's the most happiest day of our life." So after a while, the little girl sit down. So the little girl looked up and he saw the husband in black. So the little girl said, "Why is he in black?" That means if white is happy, then what the husband do in mourning?
Sorry. What did you say? Not to read it back. Not to listen it back. Sammy, I want good friend, you know? Brittany. She looks great.
And as I said before, we're going to have the toast. And the best man and the maid of honor, which would be my sister Samantha and the best man. I was going to do something and say you guys. And don't have any kisses yet because you guys have to take care of me. And welcome to the family.
Up, intelligent, up.
It's a pleasure to be here as Patel's best man.
Up.
And I want to begin by saying, what an honor it is to stand by your side today. You have always been my best friend, and I am beyond grateful that I can get to share in this moment with you on Sunday. Now raising your glasses.
Boy, raise your glass.
Ross, I'm going to ask you all to stand. All of you to stand.
Killy, get crazy.
Big up Sandy and Patel.
Kiss. Boss our chops. Yeah.
Up. Authentic. Feds, that was so sweet.
Good night.
Good night, Mags.
Good night, Mags.
Mr. and Mrs. Duncan.
Up.
I want to wish Sandy and Patel all the best. You know, mom is always here for you guys.
Up, up.
And remember, if God is not in it, then there will be no wedding.
Talk truth. Why?
Talk truth.
And we say 32 years and more.
Talk truth.
32 years and counting. Big up my friend Sandy and our good up man, Paxel. You guys, Sandy is married. We can't believe. And then me and Samantha married. Up. So what making us snap? Come.
Oh, today, nobody shall call.
Kevin, big up yourself. Up. So royal. Big up mom and mom. Oh, me pretty like money. Jesus Christ. Just the two of us.
Get crazy. Why? Someone show me the love unconditionally. Make believe.
Just you and me. Make the problems leave them behind. Don't let it show. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good. Sorry, baby. I mash up.
Just like the sun, you light up my life. Yeah, you talk truth. See that? Hey, say that running. Hey, my church is song for me.
Oh, you are my African queen,
Talk truth.
girl of my dreams.
Talk truth again. Well, I know what I'm picking.
You make my uncle ding-a-ling-a-ling. Whoa. Big up all of my fake friends. Shadi, big up yourself, fake friend number one.
Big up, come here, so we are fake friend.
Yeah, man, for a long time we are fake friend.
Since this fake friend, though, big up a blood
Big up yourself. And we say food our food, so we know. Backside. Say food our come there.
Everyone to take a seat. It is time for the big moment.
Killy, get crazy now. Me not stop saying.
She said big moment. The food is here.
Yeah.
This is the big moment.
She a talk to.
My friend wedding sell off. Up. Stacy, catch it.
Talk truth.
Before I fully feel, you know.
You make my heart sing.
Me so fall in love. They will buy you a ticket to Barbados. Fall in love. Got a Sunday Patel. Because you love me. You love me. That's why I love you. Why?
As the pastor said, we want no criticism. If we have nothing good, we ain't saying nothing. So, all the married people that are so happily married, I want, she said she want to marry again. All the married people, I want you to all make sure that you keep these young folks in prayer, keep them up, and keep giving them encouragement to keep them going. All right, Selecta, you ready? All right, so Selecta still look for the music. So me I'm gonna sing, but wait. So what I'm going with?
Shadi! Goody, goody! Goody!
Samantha, you better not catch you know. You can't move the two in a one. No catch it. Come on. If you see that come, Samantha, run.
Yeah.
Because we couldn't stop Sandy, she, and we see her come to the room with just a ball. A ball, you see? Tamika! You go, girl. Up front and center. Ray. Next place we are dealing with. So let's go.
Fake it. No.
Wait. Did you guys see? It went up here and someone just see coming and someone just put her hand down.
I wish a good girl of wedding number 2. I don't want it. Them just play with answers.
We can't breathe. Checking, you know. Come talk about Fedbird, everything.
So right now, we're going to start this one. Pick up your bridesmaid.
Come on, say everybody start dance right now. Hey!
Let's sing, you guys. I found love in you. And I've learned to love me too.
wedding of Patel and
congratulations
Sandy is
again,
over.
Sandy.
Congratulations,
Me have to go get used to office Sandy and Patel now.
Sandy and Patel.
Big up to no Jenna.
Love you guys so much.
Sandy, are you say wife and wife say you
up, and Patel, are you say husband and husband say you.
Talk truth.
Big up my brother and my sister from my dad and Mr. and Mr. Up.